Hello everyone, this is Rick Bohanich of Green River Consulting. Right away, I want you to hit the subscribe button down below because this is the first episode of a whole series that I'm going to put on YouTube on how to implement 5S. This is the first episode and it's really just a short overview of everything that's yet to come. So let's get going.
I imagine you're used to thinking of 5S as being sort, then straighten, then shine, then standardize, and then sustain. We're going to take things in a little bit different order because we found it makes it easier to understand and easier to implement. We're going to start in our implementation with sort and shine. We find that these two things happen naturally and easily together. In sort, of course, we're going to get everything out of the way that isn't needed for current production. And then we're going to clean and wipe and shine and mop everything that's left. After the sort and shine, we're going to do straighten and see. Now, essentially, that means finding a place for everything and then marking and labeling that place so that everything is going to have its own address, just as you see in the example here. The other thing we're going to do in Straighten and See is make sure that we've got visible performance indicators posted for all of our processes. And then we're going to sustain our gains. We're going to sustain what we've done. And we're not going to wait for this step. We're not going to save this step until last. In fact, we're going to implement the sustain activities throughout the other two phases. Our sustain step is going to have these elements. First, we're going to have a sort and shine implementation schedule. Then we'll have a straighten and see implementation schedule. Then we'll have a sustain schedule, a 5S sustain schedule, and 5S self-reviews. We'll go into detail as to what each of these is and what role each plays in the overall implementation in our series. So more is to come on that. But that's it. That's the quick overview of how we're going to implement 5S. First, sort and shine, then straighten and see, and with all of that, our sustain methods.
So thanks for joining us today. Again, hit subscribe to catch all of the series on how to implement 5S. See you next time.